Now a small problem on relative velocity. A man running on a horizontal road at 4 kmph finds the rain falling vertically. When a man is moving with a velocity 4 kmph, he finds that rain is falling vertically down. That means velocity of rain with respect to man, is vertically down. He increases his speed to 12 km per hour and find that the rain drops make an angle 30 degrees with the vertical. Here when velocity of the man is 4 kmph, rain is falling vertically down. When the velocity of man increases to 12 kmph, here in second case velocity of man is Vm2 is equal to 12 kmph. When velocity increases to 12 kmph, the rain appears to fall at an angle 30 degrees with the vertical. So here what is the question? Find the velocity of raindrops with respect to ground. When a man running on a horizontal road at 4 kmph, rain is falling vertically down. When he increases his speed to 12 kmph, the rain appears to fall at an angle 30 degrees with the vertical. Find the velocity of raindrops with respect to ground. Here, this is first case. Man velocity is 4 kmph. Velocity of rain with respect to man is vertically down. Or suppose if you take velocity of rain with respect to ground like this, the final diagram is this is Vm1 bar, velocity of man with respect to ground. What we want to find? Velocity of rain with respect to man bar is equal velocity of rain with respect to ground minus velocity of man. So this is velocity of man with respect to ground. What is its negative vector? Minus Vm1. So when it is displaced perpendicular to its length, so this can be displaced like this. So here V resultant of Vrg bar and minus Vm1 bar gives velocity of rain with respect to man. For suppose if the velocity of rain with respect to ground is taken in this direction, what happens? Velocity of rain with respect to ground is in this direction. Here velocity of man, this is V minus Vm1 bar. When velocity of rain with respect to ground is like this, this is Vrg bar, this is minus Vm1 bar, this is Vrm, velocity of rain with respect to man. Velocity of rain with respect to man is the resultant of minus Vm1 and Vrg bar. But resultant of any two vectors, suppose this is A bar or A bar, this is B bar, the resultant of these two must be in between the two vectors. So A bar plus B bar. So first case is possible, second case is not possible. Why second case is not possible? When if you take velocity of the rain with respect to ground in this direction, velocity of rain with respect to man is this Vrm1 bar. Actual velocity of man is this Vm1 bar. Here this is minus Vm1 bar. So Vrm1 bar is the resultant of V minus Vm1 bar and Vrg bar. Resultant must be in between these two vectors. But here resultant is outside. When you take when you take the velocity of rain with respect to ground in this direction, VRG bar, velocity of man is in this direction, Vm1 bar. So here negative vector of velocity of man minus Vm1 bar, this can be displaced downward and backwards. This is minus Vm1 bar. So this is the Vrm1 bar. Here Vrm1 bar. Here the resultant. So this is Vrg bar. For suppose if this is Vrg bar, this is minus Vm1 bar. The Vrm1 bar is the resultant of Vrg bar and minus Vm1 bar. So it is in between these two vectors. So this process is correct. Here when in first case Vrg is like this, Vrg bar, this is Vm1 4 kmph, this is minus Vm1 bar, this is Vrm1 bar. What is the angle made by this? Initially we don't know this angle theta. So when velocity increases to 12 kmph, the rain the rain appears to fall like this. This is Vrg bar. This direction does not change. Here this is this magnitude is 4 kmph. 4 kmph. When now the magnitude of velocity is 12 kmph. So this length should increase. This is initially this is 4, but final velocity is 12. So this length should be increased. The direction of this is initial direction of rain with respect to man. It turns like this. So in this direction. When this velocity of man increases, this turns like this. This is this. So initially velocity of rain with respect to man is vertically down. It turns like this in this direction because this length increases. How to find the velocity of rain with respect to ground? Here there are two triangles. One A, B, C, D. Triangle ABCA. This is A, C, D. This is VRM1. VRM1. This length is AC. So second this is VRG. Okay, here this is VRM2, not VRM1. This is VRM1, vertically down. This angle is 30 degrees. So CDB. This is 90 degrees. This also 90 degrees. So we can calculate this length AC. How to find this AC? This is this total length is 12. Initial length of this part is 4. This is 8. So this is 4. This is 8. So this is 4. This angle is 30 degrees. We can calculate this AC. Tan 30 is equal to AC CD by AC. CD by AC. What is CD by AC? CD by AC. So what is the value of CD? 8 by AC. So tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 tan 30. So AC is equal to 8 root 3. So velocity of rain with respect to man initially is 8 root 3 kmph. What is velocity of rain with respect to ground? This value, this is 8 root 3, this is 4, this is 90. A, B, C. We know that AB is equal to square root of AC square, AC whole square plus BC whole square. This is known as Pythagoras theorem. Square root of AC whole square plus BC whole square. What is AB? AB is equal to square root of, what is AC? 8 root 3 whole square plus 8 root 3 whole square plus 4 whole square. So this is AB represents the velocity of rain with respect to ground. What is 8 root 3 whole square? 64 into 3, 64 3s, 180, 192. 192 plus 16. 192 plus 16 is 208. So square root of 208. So this can be written as AB is equal to velocity of rain with respect to ground is equal to square root of 208. This can be written as what is the value of 4 root square root of 208 kmph. So velocity of rain with respect to man initially is 8 root 3 kmph. 8 root 3 kmph. Final velocity, actual velocity of rain with respect to ground is square root of 208. Here because 8 root 3 whole square, 64 into 3. 64 into 3 is 192. 192 plus 16. 192 plus 16, 208. So this is the actual velocity of the rain. Okay. This diagram. This is the actual velocity of rain with respect to ground. In second case, velocity of rain with respect to man. Initially, velocity of man with respect to ground is 4. Velocity of rain with respect to man is VRM1 initial case. For this triangle, this velocity of man is 4. Final velocity for man is 12. So this part is 4. This part is 8. So this is VRM1. This is VRM2. This is the actual velocity of rain with respect to ground. Okay, thank you.